Hello, this is Alexander from Samsung Electronic Service, and I want to show you something which I find is cool. Some of you may know I make time bomb games and lots of electronic stuff for escape rooms. And yeah, I go show you something I've been working on recently, and I want to show you. On top we see two parts of time bomb games. Actually the working electronics parts of time bomb games ticking away their times. This one is a little over 1 hour 55 minutes. And this one has still almost an hour going on. When the timer goes 0, they do boom. Not really, of course, but people think that. And on the line down there, these two devices are external timers. These are actually wireless and battery-powered clocks, and they're showing the time of one of these bombs. And it's set that they always show the lowest ID bomb time available. So there's a bomb. You can show it like this. Okay, this bomb is ID 2 and this bomb is ID 3. They're both online, so this timer is showing the lowest one is 2, showing 2. So that's actually happening. All of these things connects wirelessly via an Xbee protocol to this master control unit, the MCU, and everything is connected in the same network we call a PAN or Personal Area Network, and which is used by Xbee protocols. And I'm using Xbees. So here, if it's another down, there's a little cloud there, and it's all AES encrypted. Now the PAN actually is 1341, and as you can see on the screen of the master control unit, you can see there's 4 devices online. Itself is online with ID 1, and 2 bomb games with ID 2 and 3, which we just saw, and a timer with ID 4. Yes, it is 4. And we have another timer here. What happens if we turn this one on? But look at it. Its ID is also 4. And this one is 4. So we have a little conflict. So I was writing a little conflict handling, because if I go to a client and deliver these things, I just want to program all of these things with all the same settings. And if it comes out of the box of the client, it just turns on and needs to set itself automatically. Well, that's my idea. So I wrote some code to actually do that. So I turn this timer on, and it's showing its serial number, its ID, which is 4, its PAN ID, and some date, and then it do nothing because, yeah, you can see here, it's not popping on, do nothing yet, but wait. And now it's resetting again. Now it's ID 5. So it got a new ID from the controller, and now it's showing the time of a bomb. As you can see here, its link of 05 is ETM, which is this device. Its link is 03, is linked to time on game 3, and time on game 3 is this one here, and having that time, so this one showing that time. Great, right? And this one showing that time. So all happy peppy, the game master is set. What happens if we turn this timer off and on again? Does it need to really go through all the nonsense again with the reboot? No, because its serial number is 46 and its ID is 5. It automatically set and saves. So nothing needs to change anymore, and it's automatically set. Also, what's automatically is the time of which bomb is displayed on which timer. This is not really saved on it. It's just depending on what is online and what not. If there is one bomb online and 2 timers, I'll show you by taking one bomb off. Look what happens. One bomb is off, then the other timers, both of them showing the time of the only bomb online. So this is automatically set. You can see here, both ETMs are linked to 03. If I put the bomb back on, if I can find this cable, because filming with one hand and putting a cable with one hand is a little tricky sometimes. Look at that. So this bomb is booting up again. Now look at the timers. And this one is resetting, because the timer with the lowest ID, which is this one is ID 4. This one is now actually ID 5. Look at that. Is linked to the bomb with the lowest ID. So 4 is with 2 and 5 is with 3. As you can see in here. Ta-da-da. So everything works accordingly. What if we take the timer offline, this one. Now is the timer offline, So the lowest bomb is not connected anymore. So this one taking that bomb's time. It's always connecting, the lowest ID is always connecting with the lowest ID bomb, which is happening here. So if that bomb goes off, well, not really goes off, but cuts power, I mean, then there's one timer and one bomb left, so this is supposed to happen and is happening. So it automatically deals with all the data it receives. And this is how it works. And of course, when this thing goes off, because this thing is a router, then everything stops. Well, not everything. The bomb has its own timer installed, but this thing is not really receiving anything anymore, because this thing is a router. Because the time of the bomb is sent to this router, and this is doing calculation to which one it goes to send, and sends to the one bus. Yeah, if there's nothing to send, then everything stops. But does it hang? Filming one hand and placing jumpers, not a good idea. This one goes back online. Look what happens, and everything reset, then everything just fine. No hangs, no nonsense, everything automatically, which makes me happy. This timer on, it should show the time of that one there. First booting up. See, nothing going on, and put the bomb back on. And then it should split again. There it go. See? And everything is wireless, so I can take this one up and take a little walk. And everything should be fine. Because it's wireless and it should handle a little walk. Let's show a little walk. Let's see how far we can stretch this thing. It's still working. People see me walking like this on the street, it will be a bit like, okay, what is he carrying? But, well, we walk a good, like a little 20 meters or something, and it's still good, and we're in an urban space, so yeah, I think it will do good in the escape room. So, that was the update. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you after 59 minutes again.